Welcome to JCMS tutorial. In this part, we will learn how to insert new header picture for your site. You may want to change the header picture of the default template with your own picture. It can be your company logo, tagline, or any picture you want. You can design your own picture or simply browse a picture and use it for your new header. After you prepare your picture, you can go to your JCMS administration, move your cursor to General Preferences tab, and click Template Manager from the drop-down list. Now move your cursor to the Edit button next to the default template that you want to modify, and then click Edit. Simply click Browse or click in the box next to the header file field. And get your new header picture. Please notice your new header picture size. You can resize it into the recommended size written here so that it can still fit the template. And then click Submit. If the upload process completed, you can check the interface of your site. Click Reload button on your browser. And now you can see your new header picture on your site. It's so simple, right? We hope this tutorial can help you. Please check out our other tutorial to help you to manage your site. Have a good day!